Over 60? Top 5 powerful fruits rebuild muscle and reverse sarcopenia. Senior health tips. Top 5 powerful fruits to rebuild muscle and reverse sarcopenia. Senior health tips. Why does muscle loss, sarcopenia, accelerate in many people after the age of 60? Which 5 powerful fruits can rebuild muscles and help restore a youthful appearance? Do you know how the simple fruits you eat every day affect your muscles and bones? Over 60? Top 5 powerful fruits to rebuild muscle and reverse sarcopenia. Introduction. Everyone over the age of 60 will notice that their muscles are weakening at some point. They can't walk as far as they used to, climbing stairs is tiring, and even housework becomes tiring. The name for this condition is sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is a decrease in muscle mass and weakness in older people. It has a significant impact not only on walking, but also on their quality of life. But there's good news: with the right fruits, you can slow down or even reverse sarcopenia. Today we're going to talk about the 5 most powerful fruits that will strengthen your muscles, restore your energy, and help you feel like you're in your 30s again. 1. How do you feel about eating bananas every day? Bananas are loved by many. But they're not just about calories, they're also rich in potassium, vitamin B6, and magnesium. It's the combination of these nutrients that plays a key role in muscle contraction. The natural sugar in bananas, glucose, provides energy to muscle cells. Especially when consumed before or after exercise, it helps muscles recover. In addition, bananas maintain water balance in the body, which facilitates muscle contraction. Scientific basis. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that athletes who ate bananas experienced significantly less pain during recovery. 2. Avocado, not just a healthy fat. Avocado is not only good for your heart, but also for your muscles. It contains oleic acid, vitamin E, B vitamins, and magnesium. B6 and folate in particular are important for transmitting impulses at the synapses, nerve muscle junctions, of muscles. In preventing sarcopenia, the antioxidants and fiber in avocados protect muscles from inflammation. Scientific basis. According to the Journal of Nutrition, phytochemical compounds found in avocados increase cell regeneration in muscles by 30%. 3. Strawberries, a natural helper for collagen. Strawberries are not just a taste. They are rich in vitamin C. This vitamin is responsible for the production of collagen, which restores the connective tissue around muscles. This increases muscle strength. In addition, the flavonoids in strawberries reduce muscle inflammation. Eating strawberries for breakfast or before bed can speed up muscle recovery. 4. Kiwi, big benefits in a small fruit. Kiwi is one of the strongest sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C is not only essential for immunity, but also for muscle fiber repair, reducing stress hormones, and even improving sleep. Good sleep is important for muscle recovery. This is especially important for older people. Research. In an article published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older people who ate kiwi slept 30% better, which helped muscle regeneration. 5. Pomegranate, the best fruit for blood circulation and muscle recovery. Pomegranate contains antioxidants that increase the production of nitric oxide. This causes blood vessels to dilate, allowing more oxygen to reach the muscles. Pomegranate juice reduces inflammation in the muscles, especially after exercise, and promotes faster recovery. The effect of fruits on muscle health. 6. Peaches, a smiling fruit, strong muscles. Peaches are rich in antioxidants, especially beta-carotene and polyphenols. These substances protect muscle cells from free radicals and help them regenerate. Especially in the fight against sarcopenia, peaches help protect the body from oxidative stress. Also, the potassium in peaches supports the process of muscle contraction. Eating 1 to 2 peaches for breakfast improves the function of the heart muscle and leg muscles, especially. 7. Mango, an ancient fruit, a modern solution. Behind the sweetness of mangoes lies a great benefit. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, as well as elements such as folic acid and copper. All of these substances play an invaluable role in the growth and repair of muscle cells. Mango consumption helps to repair micro damages within muscle fibers faster and is especially recommended for consumption after exercise. 8. Oranges, not just for immunity. Oranges are often recommended for colds. But the vitamin C, flavonoids, and carotenoids in them are also important for muscle health. They support collagen production and increase muscle elasticity. Scientific fact, according to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, people over 60 who ate oranges slowed down the loss of muscle mass by 25%. 9. Pineapple, a double benefit for digestion and muscles. Pineapple contains a special enzyme, bromelain. These substances reduce inflammation in the body, especially helping with muscle pain and fatigue. Another advantage is that bromelain helps the body digest proteins better. This improves muscle nutrition and reduces the risk of sarcopenia. 10. Cherries, a natural anti-inflammatory agent. The anthocyanins in cherries are among the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory substances. This is especially important for older adults who suffer from sarcopenia. Cherries, especially when eaten in the evening, improve the quality of sleep. Sleep is a key period for muscle recovery. Eating 1 cup of cherries every day may be more beneficial than you think. Fruit guide for healthy muscles. The following fruits make a great daily diet: Monday, banana and kiwi; Tuesday, pineapple and orange; Wednesday, avocado and peach; Thursday, mango and strawberries; Friday, cherries and pomegranate; Saturday/Sunday, mixed salad. By eating this way, you will fully absorb various vitamins and minerals and strengthen your muscles against sarcopenia in a natural way. How to consume fruits to the maximum benefit. Many older people only consume fruit in the form of drinks. But this is wrong. The reason is that when juicing, the fiber of the fruit is lost, which leads to a sharp increase in blood sugar levels. That is why it is important to always eat whole fruit. If you eat fruit in the morning for breakfast or after a workout, your muscles will receive maximum benefit. Combine fruit plus protein source, for example, banana plus nuts or mango plus yogurt. This will help you build muscle. Biological effects of fruits on muscle recovery. In the body over 60 years of age, muscles naturally begin to weaken. This process is called sarcopenia, and proper nutrition plays an important role in its mitigation. Fruits, especially rich in antioxidants, polyphenols and microelements, accelerate the regeneration, energy production and recovery of muscle cells. Fruits that activate mitochondria. Mitochondria are the energy-producing centers in cells. Their activity slows down with age. However, some fruits, such as pomegranate, the ellagic acid in it activates mitochondrial cells. Orange reduces oxidative stress in mitochondria through vitamin C. Kiwi stimulates the production of carnitine, which increases the conversion of fats into energy in the muscles. Fruits that repair internal muscle damage. When muscles work or age, they develop small cracks and micro damages. The following fruits slow down this process: strawberries, rich in polyphenols, which help rebuild muscle tissue. Peaches, beta-carotene and vitamin C strengthen cell walls. Pineapple, bromelain enzyme reduces swelling and inflammation in muscles. Scientifically proven evidence. 1. A 2019 study published in the British Journal of Nutrition states, in older adults, consumption of fruits rich in flavonoids and vitamin C helps maintain muscle strength and reduces the risk of sarcopenia by 30%. 2. Harvard Medical School recommends eating at least 2 pieces of fresh fruit per day, especially oranges, strawberries, bananas or pomegranates, plays a major role in preventing muscle loss. 3. A 12-year study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found people over 65 who ate the most fruits and vegetables had a significantly lower rate of muscle loss. How to choose fruits. Choose organic fruits. Fruits grown without pesticides provide the body with the most nutrients. Eat local and seasonal fruits. Freshly picked fruits contain more vitamins. Mix fruits with yogurt or kefir. This allows you to fill them with muscle-building proteins. Beware of fruit juices. In most cases they are refined and do not contain fiber. Do not eat fruits with sugar. This leads to an increase in fat tissue, not muscle. Always drink water with fruit, especially after fruits rich in potassium and magnesium, which improves the absorption of these substances. If you are over 60 and want to avoid losing muscle and even build it back up, fruits are the simplest, cheapest and most effective solution. Just add at least 2 to 3 of the following to your diet every day: banana, avocado, cherry, orange, mango, peach, kiwi, pineapple, pomegranate, strawberry. These fruits will help your body with the right amount of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. You will gain strength faster, your leg muscles will be stronger again and your walking will be easier. Start moving today. Now, the question for you, which fruit will you start your new life with today? Which fruits have you noticed a difference in yourself after eating more of them? If you want your body to thank you, make a healthy choice for yourself right now. Write in the comments now, which fruit did you choose today? And of course, if this video was useful to you, subscribe to the channel, click the like button, share with others.